Today's shop improvement project was to make a stand for my HDMI microscope. I use this microscope near the CNC to check on end mills, check if the flutes are still okay, sometimes also checking on parts to have a close-up on surface finish. For the mount of the microscope, I use the drill stand, so it's quite easy to adjust the height and the focus of the microscope. And I can still use the drill stand as a drill stand. It's a quite versatile thing. Usually this whole part slides into a small T-slot table, and I've used this drill stand previously to bolt the T-slot or to bolt the whole thing on a table and drill into the side of objects, stuff like this. And I can easily or quickly remove the 3D printed mount for the microscope and switch it back to drill stand mode. Also can just swivel it out of the way when I'm not using it, because this displays the CNC, the display for the CNC controller, and if I cut power of the microscope and it's light, the display automatically switches back to CNC controller mode. Those microscopes are quite cheap. I think I paid $130 on AliExpress or Banggood. Yeah, hope you like it. Thanks for watching.